So we're currently in Rancho Santa Fe at the Rancho Cars and Coffee. Look at that GT, that's sick. We weren't supposed to come here, like this wasn't a place that we planned on coming, but the other place was gonna be over at 11 and we weren't gonna make it. Dog, that's clean.
Did you see she said hi?
She said hi? Oh, no, I didn't see it. We got our E90 boys.
Yeah, I'm shining bright, got me feeling like I'm next up. Feeling like I'm Curry, how I'm balling on a West Wall. If you told me back then, oh, I never would've guessed so. Now the way I'm winning, I ain't have to cut the hair, hey. I said I've been slaving, dog, let me see the money, hey. Now I'm popping, oh, they looking at me funny, hey. I was in the rain, waiting for these sunny days. Made it through, you can tell me I don't love to say. I'm away to that show, told them pipe down, I don't need no hoes. I've been out with my bros, even back then I knew I'd grow. Now I'm knocking down these doors, they ain't keeping up.
Like I said, it's not that I don't like E90s, I just don't like the tail lights. They're cool, right? You gotta respect the S65. We woke up this morning, just wanted to see some cars. That's the reason why we came out here, but we got our own problems that we gotta fix back at home. We have the cleanest car here, bro. This is the cleanest car here. Honestly, the only thing about coming here on the weekends is it's hit and miss. It's hit or miss. Like if the weather's not too good, it's not gonna be really that good. You guys see it? For the OGs that know, we used to have a Del Sol like, what, 3 years ago? This is a very fun car actually. It's very comfortable too. Like this is the perfect, it's boosted too, that's pretty cool. This is literally the perfect road trip car. Guys, one day, I just need it one day, dog. This has to be, okay, he takes the case, right? Like this is the cleanest car here. Like it was me, but then, you know, he pulled up and, you know, the rest is history. We're currently sitting in traffic on our way to OC. We are 36 miles away. I don't know if you guys know, but this is a perfect spot to put your phone when you don't have like a phone holder like me, right? Perfect spot. Put your phone right here, you're able to see the road and the navigation, right? So my tire light was on this car for the longest time, right? So I found out that my front 2 tires were low of tire, because you guys know the
low of tire.
Oh, did I?
low of air.
Low of air is what I meant. And if you guys know, if the PSI drops below 30, then the TPMS light on the dash is gonna come on. So I got that off, right? Right when I got that off, our freaking airbag light came on, dog. So that means something in here like maybe got loose or like is shorted or whatever. So we gotta either clear it. If it clears, then we're good. If not, then we gotta come in here, fill around with some wires, and it should go off. I gotta definitely take a look at that, because it definitely should not be coming on and off like that. See, the real question is, what would you guys rather? Would you rather have content where like it's personal content? I call it personal content because I like working on my own car, modifying it, fixing it, whatever the case is, right? Or do you guys like when we go places, like go to car meets, car shows, and I show you like cars out here in like the Southern California area? Which do you like? There's been times where like I go to film and it's like, So right away we pull up, and there's like an event over there that's like revving, bro, extremely loud. Yo, we just say hi to like people that we don't know.
Yeah,
you know, it's a lifestyle, you know.
I don't know what that's like.
Shut up. But anyways, we're here. Apparently you have to pay to get inside, so that's how you know it should be popping. Look, we already got a crowd of people. The thing is, I don't know if we're supposed to go up there to park or if we go past this. Damn, that's kind of steep, big dog. Lord, bro. I'm trying to see a young boy scrape.
Bro, look at this crowd. Like, if you scrape, bro. What's up, man? Y'all like that?
Sorry, guys.
Sorry.
No,
sorry, y'all. That's not police, bro. Wait, I see a whole lot of people.
This line is crazy, yo.
Is that what this is for?
Yeah. This line. Y'all want to save me on the side?
should head it back.
Space? My foot is killing me. It's clutch. Y'all see this line right now? This is, and keep in mind, this is the back of the building, right? It goes all the way down there. I'm not trying to stand in this line, dog. That's crazy. And the thing is, I doubt it's gonna get to the point where it's like, oh, there's too many people inside, nobody else can go inside. I would rather sit here and wait for these people to go
Start moving at least.
Start moving, yeah, before I get in line. Cause like I'm gonna stand in line and I'm just sitting there. Cause line's not even moving. We've been here for like a cool 5-10 minutes, so that's crazy. All right, guys, so we made it inside. I'm gonna try to talk over the music because I do not want to get copyrighted, but look at these booths, dog. The fact that I can see myself so is kind of dope, but imagine parking a car, well, a car is here, but like imagine parking like your own vehicle here, dog. Like that's pretty sick. We got a GT4, a camera car apparently. Kind of sick, to be honest. Dog, this is dope. What the heck? It's my first time here. That's so sick. Reflective ceiling. We're gonna walk through the doors. We go up here, or this is VIP?
Yeah, VIP.
VIP? Oh, I got green. I got some basic, dog. Around the corner. What we got? And it goes over here. Oh, that's why they have the gates. Okay, that makes sense. This is absolutely crazy. I've actually been waiting to get this in person, dog. Look at that interior. Yo. I'm ruining everybody's picture right now to show you guys this. Everybody's picture. Look at that, dog. That's crazy. This is dope. This is the crazy ideas that I be having in my head that I be like wanting to do, but we're looking at money right here. Like you need some serious money to pull something out like this off. This is crazy though. It's sick. Salute. It's different for sure. Sorry, I don't mean to interrupt, but you're painting this free-handedly?
Sorry?
You're literally painting this without a picture, or you have a picture? Oh, okay,
Yeah.
okay. Bro, that's still pretty sick. That's sick, dog. That's crazy.
I stayed up till 5 in the morning doing this.
No way. Dang, so how long does it take to like paint something like this?
It took about 20 hours.
20 hours. Are you guys seeing this? Like the detail. That's crazy, bro. Here we have the two-step competition. And we can't really see, so all you gotta do is look at phones. We got that phone. Let's see, let's go over here. Maybe I want to get this angle. We got this phone right here. We got a crowd. Imagine he just turns it off. Wait. Yeah, I don't think that's safe. We got a Bogart, guys. We're trying to follow the 2J. We're trying to follow the 2J. We never do this, but we're trying to do it this one time for the video. Back up. Yo, bro, you can just see it light off the building. Look at that. That's crazy. And all those fools is running over there. Imagine it blows up. And we have reached the time.
It was too much two-step, bro.
Yeah, I got to the point where it was too much, bro. That super cleared me out, dog.
It was the same thing
Yeah.
Don't get me wrong, it was not like dead or anything.
Yeah, but it was just like everybody running around trying to find the car that was two-stepping. In other words, we have an E92 right here. Let's check it out. Let's see what it looks like. Oh, yours is the same color too, huh? Wait, it comes with this little lip, huh? For the trunk, just like this, huh?
Like this. Look
Exactly like this. Even no, not the wheels. Then you have different wheels. Yeah, comp wheels. Yeah, yeah, comp wheels.
But, I mean, it does make a difference.
Yeah, it makes a huge difference. Does he have a car? Okay. And it's not busted? Okay. Okay, big dog. Let's see. Yeah, you guys can't really see too much because it is dark. But yeah, I just like seeing E92s because, you know, they're nice cars.
The difference in the Euro bumper? Look at the side.
The only difference between a Euro bumper and non-Euro bumper is this little thing right here, guys.
There's usually a light, an ugly light.
Yeah, but I don't know. I wouldn't push to get like a Euro bumper unless like my bumper was cracked or like had a lot of rock chips. But you know, if your bumper clean and it got that little square thing, you alright, dog. And we are back at the crib. I'm gonna end it here. I appreciate you guys for watching. As always, I will catch you in the next one. We have some maintenance to take care of on our vehicles, so make sure you guys stay tuned. I will catch you in the next one. Peace out, stay safe, and stay tuned.
Whoa. Who knew I would make it this far? They hated, they never believed me. Yeah, I would never drop the ball. I know I make it look easy. Yeah, Mayweather with the defense. I don't care what a critic got to say. I got them picking up the pieces. That to me, you really playing with your life. I'm about to come and run it all back. I'm the new era, about to snap back. You ain't fitting for it, cause you all cap like.